This time I'm going to show you how to rename your files. Now this is a particularly useful feature, especially if the VBox and the SD card are being shared by multiple drivers. So once you've loaded the files in and you identify which driver is which from the picture-in-picture footage, you can name each file to something more relevant, for example, the driver's name. So the first thing we need to do is ensure that the file you want to rename is selected. So if I want to select VBox1, all I do is click on this tab here and we've changed to VBox1. And then to rename the file, we want to go to the Session tab and select Rename Current Session. So if I click that, we get this little dialog box and I can just enter in whatever I like. So just as an example, I'm just going to say driver1. And then once I click OK, Circuit Tools will remove the file and then load it back in with the correct name. So if I do that now, Circuit Tools removes the file and then it comes back with the correct name. I'll just do that with this file as well. So I'll select it, rename current session, and I'll just say driver2. Click OK, and it's now loaded back in with the correct name. Now, if you ever need to load these files into Circuit Tools again in the future, the files will be named driver1 and driver2. So if I just show you, if I go to File Load, you can see here that our files are driver1 and driver2.